Hi, I'm Luke, aka Tube Mapper, and I'm at Cooper's Lane Primary School to talk about my Tube Mapper book and to visit the secret train that they have in their playground. So this is the inside of the D-Stock carriage. It was donated by TfL in 2016 and was originally used as a library by Cooper's Lane Primary School. It's now become a play area, which is quite apt, as each class is named after a different London Underground station, which means each child can come in and pretend to be a tube driver serving their own special tube station.